Hi there. I'm Holly Lehman from the Microsoft Teams team. I'm here to share 3 exciting new features coming soon to Microsoft Teams. First up, Excel Live. It will revolutionize the way that you collaborate in Microsoft Teams meetings. With a single click, your meeting window itself becomes the collaborative Excel workbook, so everyone in the meeting can view, edit, sort, and filter without ever leaving the meeting or disrupting anyone else's view. Excel Live will be available in public preview and coming soon to Microsoft Teams. Next, the one I'm most excited about is video messaging. Soon, you will be able to share more than just a text and audio message in chat. You will be able to create, record, and edit and send video messages within your chat in Teams. Another great way to connect with your team, boost morale, and strengthen relationships no matter when or where you are. Video messaging is available in public preview. Last but not least, and also coming soon to Teams, is Liveshare. Liveshare makes it possible for developers to make any app collaborative within a Teams meeting to transform static content into dynamic content. This enables meeting participants to co-watch, co-edit, and co-create together, creating an entirely new space for users to share information and ideas or complete a complex task. These are just 3 of the many features coming soon to Microsoft Teams. Be sure to check out the links in the description to sign up for the public previews and subscribe so you don't miss out on all you can do together in Microsoft Teams.